Hello everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today we will be learning Lesson 6, the second part of the story of Noah, and many new vocabulary words about animals. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Finish. Finish. The man finished the race. Finish. Bring. Bring. The man brings the boy a box. Bring. Pair. Pair. This is a pair of socks. Pair. Air. Air. I feel the fresh air on my face. Air. Into. Into. The boys jump into the water. Into. For example. For example. There are many animals. For example, there are lions, tigers, and elephants. For example. Lions. Lions. The lion is yellow with orange fur. Lions. Elephants. Elephants. The elephant has a long trunk. Elephants. Tigers. Tigers. The tiger is orange with black stripes. Tigers. Buffaloes. Buffaloes. The buffalo has big horns. Buffaloes. Sparrows. Sparrows. A sparrow is a small and brown bird. Sparrows. Doves. Doves. A dove is a white bird. Doves. Crows. Crows. A crow is a black bird. Crows. Rain. Rain. The rain falls to the ground. Rain. Flood. Flood. When it rains too much, there is a flood. Flood. Creatures. Creatures. Creatures is another word for animals. Creatures. Drown. Drown. If you cannot swim, you will drown. Drown. Giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe is yellow with brown spots. Giraffe. Light. Light. The light helps me to see in the dark. Light. Salvation. Salvation. Salvation means to rescue someone from something that is dangerous or bad. Salvation. Stronghold. Stronghold. A stronghold is a place that is safe from danger. Stronghold. Fear. Fear. The dark is his biggest fear. Fear. Afraid. Afraid. The boy is afraid of the dark. Afraid. Great job! Now let's learn our power verse. Are you ready? Psalm chapter 27, verse 1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? You know these words. Light. Light. Salvation. Salvation. Fear. Fear. Stronghold. Stronghold. Afraid. Afraid. Let's read the verse one more time. Psalm chapter 27, verse 1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? Great job! Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 11. When Noah finished the ark, God told him to bring one pair of every animal on the earth and bird in the air into the ark. For example, lions, elephants, tigers, buffaloes, sparrows, doves, and crows. Then when it rained and water flooded the earth, these creatures did not drown. How many giraffes were in the ark? We can learn 3 important lessons from this story and our power verse. Number 1, God took care of Noah and the animals. He will take care of you too. Number 2, God is our light and our salvation. He will take care of us in the dark times. Number 3, you do not have to fear or be afraid. You are never alone. Now let's learn our new English vocabulary words. Are you ready? Chickens. Chickens. The chickens give us eggs to eat. Chickens. Pig. Pig. The pig is pink with a small nose. Pig. Goat. Goat. The goat has curly horns. Goat. Cow. Cow. The cow is white with black spots. Cow. Horse. Horse. The horse has long legs. Horse. Dogs. Dogs. The dog likes to chase the chickens. Dogs. Cats. Cats. The cat likes to sleep in the sunshine. Cats. Rabbits. Rabbits. The rabbit likes to jump and hop. Rabbits. Mouse. Mouse. The mouse likes to eat cheese. Mouse. Mice. Mice. The mice like to hide in the house. Mice. Farm. Farm. Many animals live on the farm. Farm. Great job! Now let's learn a little bit of English grammar. This is a. This is a. When something is close to us, we say, this is a. For example, this is a cow. This is a. That is a. That is a. When something is farther away from us, we can say that is a. For example, that is a horse. That is a. These are. These are. When two or more things are close to us, we say these are. For example, these are goats. These are. Those are. Those are. When two or more things are farther away from us, we say those are. For example, those are elephants. Those are. Let's practice listening to our new vocabulary words and our grammar. Are you ready? Let's listen to the dialogue. Hi, Mr. Smith. Do you want to see a picture of my father's farm? Sure, Dan. Wow, your father has many animals on his farm. What are these? These are cows. Those are pigs. This is a goat, and that is a horse. So many animals. Yes, but the animals cannot be too big. For example, an elephant is too big for the farm. But chickens are small, so we can have many chickens. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words about animals and keep reading my precious book. Below, you can like and subscribe at the bottom. There are also other websites to help you continue to learn English. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!